I promise we are not turning this into the Ed Sullivan Show, but a few weeks ago I met Gerard Senehi at a party, and I think you will be as intrigued by him as I was. Gerard is a mentalist, and he makes things happen that I can't explain. And I have enlisted Kirsten Powers and George Will to join me here at the panel. Gerard, the stage is yours.
Thank you. Well, I like to get people to look at things in new ways, so we're going to try something, and because I like to evoke the unknown. Can you hold your hand like this? We'll just try a little demonstration here. Don't move. Little action. Did you feel it move? So now you have the power to move that pen. If you come closer with your finger, you should be able to do it. I'll step back.
Wait. Let us get a tight shot. Guys, come on. Okay, here we go.
You should have the power. Yes. Did you see that?
Yeah, kind of.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So now
We're supposed to say amazing, Gerard, but yes, it was
I'm
amazing.
amazed by it too, actually. This is really great. Okay, so we're going to try now. We have the. You had a number that you were thinking of. We're going to try a little action with a pencil here. Watch.
Wow.
Take that.
Very cool.
Indeed. So now I'm going to ask you to create a random number. You each write 3 digits on the pad there. You have a piece of card.
There you go. You have the first 3. I have the second 3. And we did this before the show and came up with a number. We haven't told anybody what the number is. Go ahead.
And you are also going to, in a second, I'm going to ask you to visualize the number. You can put the pencil down.
What?
Original number?
Yeah, the
Yes,
original
a 3-digit number.
Okay.
I'm not supposed to look at their number, though, right?
No, don't look
Okay.
at it. And we're going to try to have Kirsten read your minds.
This is not. I'm
There's
the
no
weak
way,
link.
right?
It's like,
And
Okay.
this is is that your number?
Yes.
Okay.
All right,
we
very good. So I have a card here that has the word number on it. When you look at this, I'm going to help you psychically see a number like a crystal ball into this card, okay? But in a second. You see the word number on here?
Yes.
All right, very good. If you see a number, I want you to write it onto those things. Do you start to see a number appear onto the card?
yeah.
Yes? Write it down. Okay, we have perhaps a match. What was your number?
Well, not quite a match, but our number, and I got to say, George, you're.
Well, that's very good, though, but it's close
But you
enough.
saw those
How
numbers?
did you do that?
I know. It's amazing.
She saw this into this card. Now you won't see the number. You don't see the number in there. You
No.
just see the word number,
Yeah.
right?
You just suddenly wrote those numbers?
Yeah, those are the numbers that I saw when I looked at
All
it.
right, go ahead.
Well, you see, ideas are very powerful things, and I like to get people to question and suspend their ideas. Now that we've established a rapport, a little connection, I'm going to ask you to draw your picture. Could you pass me a pen here, a picture that you have in mind? But don't draw it yet because I'm going to start first. May I have the other pen? So I'm going to do it really fast. When I say go, I want you to go as well. I'm going to try and get an impression because you have a picture in your mind. Yes? Wait, don't start yet. Don't start yet. Okay, I'm seeing something. I want you to do it in 10 seconds flat. I'm starting now. You go. Okay, I'm done.
I can't do it very well, but this was, yeah, pretty much the same thing.
That is mind-blowing. That is really, and you didn't talk beforehand.
No,
You didn't, and you
absolutely
just
not,
basically
no.
both drew. Is that a cat?
It's
Sort of,
Garfield.
yeah, it's
Garfield,
Garfield,
right?
yeah.
That's what I thought. It's Garfield. Oh my God.
How
Now-
do you? You don't like to be called a magician, and you don't like these to be called tricks.
That's right.
So
because,
what's going on here?
well, I like to get people to suspend their ideas. You see, ideas are so powerful, and at the right time, an idea can be the perfect thing. At the wrong time, it can mess things up. So it's important to be fluid in terms of what ideas we think or appropriate to the moment. And so by getting people to suspend their ideas, it creates space for the unknown, really.
Are you amazed?
I'm amazed.
I am amazed, too, and George Will is a very skeptical person. Let me simply say, when we first met, he said, think of a number between 1 and 100. I said 99. He had written down 99 on the paper. If you want to find out more about Gerard and his thoughts about suspending our ideas, about the limits of what's possible, go to his website, openfutureinstitute.org. That's it for today. Have a great week. Make us disappear.